Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. As you're traveling over this great Christmas and New Year holiday, folks, please make it a safe one. Be strong. Go with your heart and believe in miracles, because anything can and will happen. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 165, Nasdaq up 39, S&P's up 19, gold contract down $5.60, trading at $1,068 an ounce. Silver down a penny at $14.29 an ounce. Platinum down $3 at $8.69 an ounce. Copper up 2 pennies at $2.12 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.47, trading at $37.61 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year down 5 ticks, 126, 30 off 28, 154.06. King dollar up 161 ticks, trading at 98.40. The euro is down 47 at 109, and the yen is trading 120.86. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We take a look at the SPY. SPY today, we're at up 232. You've done 78 million shares. Yesterday, we do 111 million shares. We come downtown on 173 million and 251. Bottom line, no doubt, they're pushing light volume. We have a high volume swing low. I suspect what you're going to see right after the new year, more than likely, we're going to be right back down into those lower levels, meaning into the 199, as well as the benchmark out here is the October 2nd high, which is 195.03. We look at the NDX 100, the Qs. What do you have with the NDX 100? Same type of setup. The NDX itself, the Qs actually is showing more weakness in correlation to the other indices. And what you have with the NDX is this. You come down on 45 million shares. You come down on 53 million. We went up Monday with 26 million. Yesterday was 26 million. And today we're going to do about 20 million. Bottom line, doesn't have the strength. We'll be right back downtown. Inside the Dow Industrials, the strength versus the weakness. That's what you have. There's only 2 stocks that are negative. Nike is down $3.28. Disney is off $1.02. The strength of the oil stocks, you have Chevron up $3 at $93.35. ExxonMobil's up $2.22. If we go over to Nike for a second and take a look at Nike, this is pretty amazing what is going on with Nike. Nike opened at 136, just sold off. We're at 128. Bottom line is that this thing is, that sell-off is pretty extensive. So that sell-off, even with Nike, is saying that now its game to Nike is down to 115.63. So that's going to be something to keep your eye on, because Nike, no doubt, has been the leader out there. Also, the numbers that Nike had, folks, were dynamite. They were great numbers. They were growing by 20%. Market still didn't, market was looking for more. That's the bottom line. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold's pulling back. Light volume, 62,000 contracts. That's after going higher on Monday with 122,000. Higher December 4th, 209,000. That's still setting up for higher prices. Bond market. What do we have with bonds? The bond market, folks, is the ever-ready market. It's just pretty amazing. Bonds rejected lower price out here today. Had lighter volume. The 10-year is at 126.01, and you pull back today with 420,000 contracts. You're pulling back into 1.5 million. Bonds want higher price. The last swing high in bonds, December 11th. That's 127.10. That's the 10-year we're talking. The closing high is 128.26. So we're only 3 points away from the closing high, which is just amazing. The 30-year. We'll take a look at the 30-year. 30-year bond out here. We're at 154.08. It's done 128,000 contracts today. That baby is coming into, 385,000. Bottom line, bonds also want higher price, which is absolutely counterintuitive into the aspect that we know that the Fed has gone up, and they plan on going up again. Let's go to our man Alex in Boston. Alex, what's going on?
Hi, Tom. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, man. Yourself?
I am doing very good. Happy holidays to you and your family.
And to you, Happy New Year. Great to hear from you, man.
Yeah, and it's a crazy hot here. I had to turn AC today in Boston.
You had to put the AC on in Boston. That's a classic, man. I think that's a first in December. Seriously.
Yeah. So I want to talk about what I see as a classic long-term trend reversal. And if we can take a look at MLPs.
Yeah, let's take a look at it.
Especially the symbol is K as a king, YN.
Yeah, this is cool. It might have been your email I got. I just got an email on this. Okay, so
yeah.
Okay, so it's it's Kane Anderson MLP. So it's not...
I bought it yesterday because it broke this 3-day consolidation.
Okay, so let's take a look at it. So the stock is trading right now at $16.76. It's been like the rest of these MLPs. It's been on a one-way track. This thing, came down from $37 into $12. Okay, so. Okay.
On the monthly chart, it looks scary, but...
Oh, yeah, listen, they have to start bottom or somewhere. No, I agree. There's no doubt. What happens, folks, is that you're looking for a test of the lows with light volume first, which this had, okay? So your high volume spike, $13.44, even on the daily, would have been 3.1 million. You tested it with 2.5. That's 600,000 less, which is that's almost 20% less. Then the first day you had some strength, not much price movement, but there was strength there. Someone was buying it on December 18th. We did 2.8 million. You had strength yesterday, 2.9. You had strength today. Yeah, you got action here, man. I mean, the key with an expansion like this, okay, the last big expansion you had is that, let's see, September you went from $21 up to $26, so that was a 20% move and then gave it up again. What you want to do with it, Alex, is this. Yeah, you can ride it up, but if you see volume expand on the way when it starts retracement, then just take your bread, man.
Yeah, but take a look at the yield on this one. It's 15%.
Yeah, that won't stay there. Stay right there. We'll come right back. That will not stay there. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. We're going to be right back.